Are you tired of the delay? Does it feel like you're walking through quicksand? Well, are you ready? I mean, super ready to get what you want super fast. Hi, everyone. Robert Zink, miracle mentor and alchemy life coach. And today, Rachel and I have been talking about our totem animals. So we are marching forward like a bull elephant. We're ferocious like a lion. We're cunning like a fox. We have 5-5 vision like a big, beautiful eagle. And we are persistent like a tortoise. Okay, are you ready? Here we go. Get what you want super fast. And the first key, high flyers, is to know exactly what you want. Now that sounds crazy. That sounds too simplistic. But oftentimes it's the real deal. It's the real case why people are not getting what they desire. They don't know what they want. People who are confused about what they really desire out of life, they tend to get nothing. Nada. And so you need to have clear definition of what it is that you want. And that means, what does your life look like? Who are you with? Who are you loving? How good do you feel? Where are you traveling to? What are all the wonderful things that you are doing? You need to have those eyes, 5-5 vision, like a beautiful eagle, and see into your future and bring it back to you and know exactly what you want. Number 2 is write it out. Write out your intention. Now, it's interesting because I've talked to a lot of people over the years. I've worked with a lot of clients, and I asked them, I said, did you ever find yourself doodling or writing? And many clients say, oh yeah, when I'm on the phone, I'm doodling or I'm writing, or sometimes when I'm thinking, I'm writing things down. And I go, what do you write down? Well, I write down my goals. You do? You actually write them down? He said, oh yeah. Sometimes I write them down 30, 40, 50 times. I had another client say, I don't know how many times I write down my goals, but I write them down every day. I do it while I'm doodling on the phone. And then I just throw the paper away when I'm done, and I start again. And I've run into clients over the years that do this consistently. It seems to be a habit that successful people institute. You can do it too. It's called 3x33. You write down your intention. You know what you want. Now you're focusing it into an intention, into a request that you are making to the universe. And you write down that request 33 times for 3 days. And then you pause for 3 days. And then you go back and do it again. And then you pause for 3 days. And then you go back and do it again. It's kind of like deja vu. You just keep doing it. But every time you do it, you're sinking that message deeper into your subconscious mind. And that's very, very important. Because your subconscious is the broadcasting center from which you connect to the infinite field of potential, and that's how you align with the universe and manifest what you desire. So write out your intention, write it out as many times as you'd like, or follow the 3x33. Number 3, turn wants. I want into desires and passion and excitement and fire. Get pumped up, get jacked up, get juiced up about your desires. You see, when you desire something, you are fired up. But when you want something, you're in a state of doubt. And when you are in a state of doubt, look at the universe can accept almost anything except doubt. Doubt destroys manifestation high flyers. So when you have doubt, you're literally destroying what you want to manifest in your life. So very simple. Stop thinking in future tense. I want a new car. I want a new boat. I want a new house. I want a new relationship. And think in terms of I have the love I desire. I have the money I want. I have everything I need. I have the health I depend upon. Think in terms of present tense. I am a manifester. I am wealthy. I am attracting money easily and often. And so when you turn those wants into desires, you've made a huge step in manifesting what you desire. Super fast. Number 4 is to write down goals. Now you have a broad picture of what you desire. You see your life. Now, how do you get there? What are the goals? What's the first step you need to take? And I always ask myself this question. Now that I know what I desire, now that I've written it down, how can I leverage it? How can I take it to the next level? It might be a phone call. It might be hiring a mentor. It might be talking to a business coach. It might be getting some specified information. It might be making a deposit. It might be making a phone call. I can't tell you what it's going to be for you, but once you have goals, write them down. And what we like is micro goals. What are your goals for today? 4 or 5 important micro goals that you are accomplishing every day in the direction of your dreams and goals. Number 5 is specialized knowledge. Look, you need the knowledge necessary. When we started this YouTube channel, we didn't know what the heck we were doing. We had no idea. We were buying cameras here and there and all kinds of lights and this and that. And finally, what I started doing is I started going from channel to channel to channel to channel, and I looked at the equipment some of the guys were using. And then I went down to the photography place, and I talked to them. And then I just happened to be on a channel that has nothing to do with the law of attraction, and I fell in love with the guy's backdrop. And I said, well, his backdrop is very mechanical. It's got a lot of tools. It's got a lot of things like that. But I can make mine a little bit better. I got specialized knowledge, and our YouTube channel began to soar. I mean, soar like a beautiful eagle. And we're still soaring because you're still subscribing and you're still clicking that bell icon. And we do appreciate you doing that because we're here every day with an empowering video for your life. So specialized knowledge. I spend an hour to 2 hours a day acquiring specialized knowledge for my work. Warren Buffett, one of the richest men in the world, says 80% of his day is spent reading and learning. You need specialized knowledge to become the best at what you do. Well, number 6 is keeping your vibe high. And so there's a number of ways to keep your vibe high, but I want to show you one of my favorite ways. Come with me this way. So high flyers, keeping your vibe up is absolutely essential. And you can jump up and down on the ground, but that's hard on your feet. It's hard on your knees. It's not fun. So get yourself a rebounder. I have studied and found that so many high achievers do rebounding every day. It's good for your cells, it's good for your lymphatic system, but it's good for your energy. It's good for your vibe. You cannot rebound for 2 minutes or 3 minutes and not be in a positive, uplifting mood. Anyway, it's fun. I like doing it, and it's great. And I have one in my bedroom here, so it's one of my favorite ways to get my vibe pumped up, juiced up, excited, and motivated. Also, high flyers, when it comes to keeping your vibe high, putting the right stuff in your body is absolutely essential. Moving your body, as you saw earlier. But also, I've been using this formula that we created called Zink Miracle C60. And I won't go into the details because it's not available yet, but it will be available. And when it is, I highly recommend you use it. It's designed to maximize your vibration. Number 7, challenge. Head-on resistance. Don't let resistance beat you down. There's always going to be resistance. Say these words right now. Resistance is my friend. Resistance can help me because resistance makes you strong. When I go to the gym and I lift weights, if I didn't have any resistance, if it was just like a feather, it would do me no good. I need the resistance to grow muscle. You need resistance to get off the ground. That eagle needs resistance, wind resistance, to soar high. So resistance isn't a problem. You make it a problem in your mind by believing it's a problem. But that's your belief. Start looking at resistance as a way to teach you something and to help you become better at what you do. Oh, yeah. Thank you so much for subscribing. We absolutely love you. You're special. Be sure and click the bell icon. We're here every day for you. And come on over and visit us at Robert Zink official page on Facebook because we put piles and piles of information there. Little mini videos, all kinds of cool things that will help you empower your life. It's time for a Facebook upload right now. Have a good day. Bye-bye.